Hi, my name is Kim Case. I'm the new principal here at Central Hardin. I am so excited. I'm so excited to see all the people out here tonight for open house. It's not necessarily what we were hoping. We wanted to get all the kids into the building and walk around, but that'll come soon. Day one, we'll have the kids out and about. But tonight we've got all the teachers here to meet all the students, get their schedules. We have lunch set up, we have transportation, all the things here tonight. So I am very excited to get to meet all the families, the students, and welcome you here to Bruin Nation.
Hi, my name is Alex. I work as a provider nurse with the Healthy Kids Clinic. We provide health care to the children in the school systems. We offer a nurse practitioner to see sick kids so the parents don't have to leave work if the child does not need to leave school. We also provide care for kids who need medications at school, as well as rescue medicines and that kind of thing.
Good evening. My name is Jo Million, and I'm one of the teachers here at Central Hardin High School, and we're here to welcome everyone to open house for the 25-26 school year. I am one of the Family Consumer Sciences education teachers here at Central. I teach money skills for math, principles of hospitality, relationships, and facts essentials. So, welcome to open house.
Hi, I'm Dan Robbins. I'm the principal of the Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center, and we're here tonight at our open house for Central Hardin to talk to our families about the transition between Central Hardin and EC3 and how all that works. We want to make sure that all of our families know that that is a smooth occurrence these days. We've been doing it now for quite a while, so I think we've kind of got it down, but for a lot of our families it's new to them. So we want to just be here at Central Hardin and just welcome all of our families and just answer any questions they might have about EC3, about what their student schedule might look like, or maybe they just have general questions on how to get into EC3 still. So we're here. We've got a table set up. We've got even a fancy QR code here. If they got a scheduling issue, we want to make sure that we can answer all those questions as well. So we're just, myself and Ms. Kaufman are here tonight, and we have people across the district at the other high schools as well helping out to answer all questions for families.
I'm Officer Robinson. I'm the school resource officer here at Central Hardin High School, and I'm looking forward to this year. It's going to be a fun year. All the kids welcome back to the school, and it's going to be a fun year. Can't wait.
Hi, my name is Callum Fletcher. I'm a senior here at Central Hardin, and today we're here helping everybody get their schedule for the upcoming school year.
My name is Lisa Ellis. I'm the kitchen manager at Central Hardin in the cafeteria.
Do the kids get free breakfast and lunch this year?
The kids do get free breakfast and lunch this year. We asked for everybody to fill out the form, the free and reduced form. It's very important.
And are you handing out menus right now for this year?
I am handing out menus, or you can scan the barcode to get on the website.
We have some freshmen or junior seniors been in the program for their whole high school career, and they are the leaders of the program. And then the freshmen and sophomores that come in, they are trained by them under our supervision, and we do physical fitness 2 days a week. Mondays and Fridays. My partner, Sergeant First Class Gavin, is a former 3-year drill sergeant, an athlete, and we do a lot of things that you won't find in conditioning class, a lot of things you're not going to find in PE class. It's all military physical fitness. So we have that, and then the cadets will help lead that. We do wear a uniform 1 day a week, and we have an academic day, sometimes 2 days a week, over materials you see here. A lot of it is leadership related. Civics, some civics. We do some electives that are map reading, negotiating, things like that. But we have fun doing it.
Hi, I just want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. It means so much for you all to make time to come, check in, see what we've got to offer for your students. We're going to have clubs, sports, all the things for students. We're excited to get into our events and our programs as we get into the school year. But tonight we just wanted to welcome everybody here. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you soon.